Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making Oreo French Toast. All this recipe includes is brioche bread, milk, powdered sugar, 2 eggs, and most importantly, Oreos. Alright, first let's start by making the French toast batter. Let's start off by putting 1/3 cup of milk in the bowl. Next we'll add 2 cracked eggs in the bowl. And our last thing that we're going to use is 8 crushed Oreos. After that, pour the crushed Oreos into the bowl and mix it until it combines. Once the French toast mixture is well mixed, dip a slice of brioche bread into the mixture and coat it on both sides and put it in a frying pan and cook it for a minute. Turn it over and cook it for 2 more minutes. It's important to use brioche bread when making French toast because brioche is richer and fluffier than other types of bread. Once the French toast is ready, get a nice plate, place the French toast on top and repeat the process. Now it's time to make the icing. To make the icing, first we are going to add a cup of powdered sugar. Next we need 2 tablespoons of milk. Pour in the 2 tablespoons and give it a mix. Now get a plastic bag with 2 Oreos in them and crush them. Once the Oreos are well crushed, add them to the bowl and mix. Once you've done that, stack the French toast on a plate and drizzle the icing on top and enjoy. Also, if you're wondering how to say Oreo French toast in Spanish, it's tostadas francesas de Oreo. Alright guys, my French toast is done. Now I'm gonna give it a taste test. Mmm. Mmm. Que rico. Just tastes exactly like the restaurants. When I was a kid, whenever it was breakfast, we always got Oreo French toast. It's so good. So it's basically kind of like a replica. That brioche bread. Yep, this is a breakfast for champs, right? Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!